Connect wireless mics to phones. Are you tired of recording a great video only to find out your audio sounds like it was recorded in a tin can? Is your expensive wireless mic refusing to connect to your phone? It is incredibly frustrating when your gear does not work when you need it most. I know that feeling of being stuck and wanting to give up on your content. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, you will have your mic running perfectly. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment below. I personally reply to every comment within 1 hour. Please take a second to like this video, share it, and subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech solutions. Let us start with the most common fixes. First, ensure your receiver is fully charged and powered on. For Android users, you often need to enable OTG. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to OTG Connection and turn it on. If you still hear no sound, the issue might be your phone's default camera app. It may not support external mics. Check your permissions. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Camera, then go to Permissions, and select Microphone to allow access. If that fails, try a third-party app like Open Camera. It allows you to manually select external microphone in the settings. Next, let us talk about hardware. Are you using the right adapter? There is a big difference between TRS and TRRS cables. Smartphones require a TRRS plug, which has 3 black rings. If your mic has only 2 rings, you need an adapter. If your phone does not have a jack, use a certified USB-C or Lightning adapter. Cheap, uncertified cables often fail to transmit audio. Now, what about uncommon fixes? Sometimes the problem is wireless interference. Most mics run on 2.4 GHz. Your Wi-Fi router also uses 2.4 GHz. Try moving at least 10 feet away from your router and electronic devices. If your mic supports multiple channels, switch to a different frequency. This is a proven fix found on official support pages. Have you updated your firmware lately? Manufacturers release updates to fix connection bugs with newer phone models. Connect your receiver to a computer. Visit the official website and download the latest update tool to refresh your device. Real user feedback on Reddit suggests that restarting your phone while the receiver is plugged in can sometimes force a handshake. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. This simple step solves more issues than you would think. Also, ensure your phone battery is above 20%. Some phones disable external audio devices to save power in low battery mode. Is your phone case too thick? Many users find that the receiver plug is not fully seated because of the case. Try removing it. To summarize, enable OTG, check app permissions, use the right TRRS adapter, and avoid 2.4 GHz interference. You have got this. Your audio is going to sound professional and clear from now on. You are ready to create great content. Thank you for watching TechVibes. If this helped you, please hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.